How to fix WhatsApp error app not install problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can fix WhatsApp error app not installed problem. Okay, so guys, if you are unable to install the WhatsApp, okay, if you are unable to install WhatsApp in your device, then why this problem is occurring and how you can solve this problem in this video, you will get to know about it. Okay, the solution and the reason why this problem is occurring and how you can solve it. Okay, so guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's begin the tutorial without wasting any more time and let's fix this problem. Okay, so guys, whenever we try to download WhatsApp from the Play Store, sometimes it says WhatsApp app not install or WhatsApp we cannot install or can't install WhatsApp. Okay, we face this kind of problem. That simply means that your storage is almost full. Okay, so make sure to clear up some space on your device and make sure to clear up the Play Store datas. Okay, so how you have to do is, guys, first clear the storage. Okay, you can clean up the storage or you can delete some files, you can delete some videos, you can uninstall some applications. Okay, so after doing all these things, after clearing up, go to application and permissions, go to app manager, and then guys, here you may find app manager, manage app, install app, or app management. And then guys, you have to scroll down, go to Google Play Store, and after it you have to force stop the application, force stop the Google Play Store, and then you have to go to internal storage. So now you have to clean up the Google's Play Store. Okay, you have to clear up the data of your Play Store, and then you have to restart your device, go to Play Store once again, and then try to reinstall it. Okay, so after that your problem will be definitely solved. That's it. Okay, so for example, if you are not trying to download WhatsApp from Play Store, you are trying to download WhatsApp from if you are trying to download WhatsApp out from the Play Store, then guys, you need to allow the unknown source. Okay, first you have to go to Play Store, and then guys, I'll show you what you have to do. Go to three lines, and then you have to go to Play Protect, and then guys, turn off the Play Protect. Okay, you have to click on setting or gear icon, and then guys, you have to disable this feature. Okay, you have to turn off the Google Play Protect. Okay, you have to turn off it, and then guys, don't turn it on until unless you install the WhatsApp. Okay, first go to Play Store, turn off the Google Play Protect, and then guys, what you need to do is you have to go to setting and you need to allow the unknown source. Okay, so where is that setting? Let's find it out. Okay, unknown source, so it's saying no result found. Okay, so here it is, install unknown apps. Okay, so you have to click here and then install unknown apps. So here you can see, you have to go here, and after that install unknown apps is opening. So guys, just give a second. Okay, so here it is. So for example, if you are trying to install WhatsApp from Google Chrome, okay, then you need to allow the unknown source of your Google Chrome. Okay, so go to Google Chrome and allow the install unknown app setting. So install it now, restart the mobile, and then guys, go to your Chrome browser and try to install it again, and this will solve the issue, this will solve the problem. That's it. Okay, so you just have to do all the solution, and guys, this will definitely solve the problem. And guys, if you face any kind of problem, please comment us below. Thanks for watching.